Hey guys, this is how I protect my synthetic wig for bed.
All you gotta do is
The first thing I do is kind of separate the hair by separating it in two and bring it forward. Then I use a white teeth comb. I think this is a shampoo comb, and then I'm just going to try to detangle the hair as best as possible. Now whenever I'm detangling the hair, I try not to tug it too hard. If I get a resistance, what I'll do is just continue the brushing motion with the comb until it's detangled. Now if I have to go in sections, I'll do just to get a better detangled, but I never pull on it too hard because it tends to lose the shape of the hair. So while I'm brushing out the hair or combing out the hair, I do a twisting motion because I want to keep the form of the hair or the style of the hair, so I don't just comb it straight or whatever. I just try to twist it while I detangle. So you could see that this side is well detangled and the other side is not, so I'm just going to go ahead and detangle the other side. Voila, and this is the end result of detangling. It looks so nice. I love the texture of this hair. So now we're just going to clip the end. It's the perfect time to clip the ends. I'm not going to clip too much. As you saw in my previous video, I did cut this hair. So these are the little flyaways that I'm going to cut, and it just kind of helps to maintain hair over time. Now that we get the trimming and the detangling out the way, now we're just going to go into how I maintain the curls, like how I keep it throughout the nights, you know, because I don't remove the wig, I just sleep with it. So we're gonna get right into that. I really love this wig, so the link of this wig will definitely be in the description bar. It's from Amazon, and I think there's a sale on it right now, so check it out, guys. So to do this, it's pretty easy. I'm going to twist the hair and create like a space bun. So I'm twisting it from start to finish. Then I'm going to use a scrunchie to hold the bun in place. Pretty simple, pretty easy. So now that my space buns are looking good, I'm taking out my earring because I'm going to tie out my hair with a satin scarf. You could get this satin scarf at your local beauty store. It's very cheap. I think it's like $1 or whatever. And then I'm just going to tie it down. Now I want to bring some of it up more so that I can cover my entire hair. I don't want when I'm sleeping or moving around the bun get looser and mess up the entire look. So you definitely want to make sure it's covering everything, as you could see here. Voila. And then just tie it as secure as possible. That's the key to it, keeping it in place while you sleep. It's definitely gonna keep the longevity of your synthetic wig while you sleep. Alright, it's the big reveal. This is how the hair came out. One of the space bun got loose, but as long as it didn't unravel entirely, you're good. So I'm just gonna let that down and let you guys see it, kind of fluff it out a bit. So stay tuned for that. And also I'm going to show you how I style it